Hi, it's David with Veteran Garage Door. Today we're going to show you how to lubricate your garage door. Okay, this is your hinge and roller, and you're simply going to lubricate the roller, the hinge, and you want to do all your hinges and rollers. Just work your way across the garage door, hitting every hinge as you go. Okay, what you're seeing now is the end bearing plate. Real important to keep those bearings lubricated, keep your door functioning smoothly. Okay, the last thing you want to do is you want to lubricate your spring bar and your spring. This keeps rust and dirt from building up and causing problems later. As you can see, lubricating a garage door is a simple task for you do-it-yourselfers. You can purchase garage door lube at Home Depot or Lowe's, or here at Veteran Garage Door we sell it as well. Real important to be done at least yearly. More often doesn't hurt anything, especially if you're in a dirty or corrosive environment. But it's going to help your door function much better.